No more boring crap. The Sony FX30 just made every old camera feel like a joke. This tiny beast is pure chaos in the best way, packing cinema-grade power into a body smaller than your lunchbox. One look at the footage and you'll realize your old setup belongs in the trash forever. This thing is so damn powerful, it's like having a baby Hollywood studio in the palm of your hands. Watch this because once you see what this camera can do, you'll never look at your old setup the same way again. If you're tired of fake-ass reviewers hyping up garbage gear, smash that like, hit sub, and yeah, the link to this absolute unit is down in the description. If you're already sold halfway through, don't wait, tap that I've been there, stuck carrying heavy-ass rigs that feel like medieval torture devices, sweating my ass off while trying to get a steady shot, only to end up with footage that looks shakier than a drunk guy on a roller coaster. And don't even get me started on cameras that promise cinematic quality, but deliver footage that looks like it was shot on a damn flip phone. Enough of that bullshit. The FX30 fixes all of it. Lightweight, compact, and stable as hell. It's built for creators who actually move, shoot, and create nonstop. Let's talk about what's under the hood. This bad boy comes with Sony E-mount compatibility, meaning you can pair it with a massive lineup of pro lenses, including the sexy as hell 15mm f1.4G wide-angle lens. Wide shots, tight shots, low light shots, you name it, this setup handles it. The maximum focal length is 35mm, giving you versatility for everything from documentaries to vlogs to cinematic short films. Whether you're filming a wedding or a high-energy chase scene, this combo adapts to whatever crazy ideas you throw at it. And that maximum aperture of 1.4, holy that's creamy bokeh heaven right there. Shoot in near darkness and still get crisp, dreamy footage. Want that gorgeous cinematic depth of field that makes your subject pop while the background melts away? This lens is your new best friend. For all my mirrorless camera lovers out there, you're in for a treat. The Sony FX30 is a mirrorless powerhouse with an effective still resolution of 20.1 megapixels. Now let's talk audio, because nothing ruins a cinematic shot faster than crappy sound. With the FX30, you've got options. Throw on a shotgun mic like the ECM-M1, or go pro level with dual XLR handle units for pristine, broadcast quality sound. Whether you're doing interviews, live events, or just talking to your audience, this rig has you covered. No more syncing external recorders and wasting hours in post. Plug in, record, done. And for you streamers and content creators, listen up. This camera also doubles as a maximum webcam with 20.1 megapixel resolution. That's right, you can live stream with the same cinematic quality you use to shoot films. Your audience will think you're broadcasting straight out of a movie set while they're stuck on their potato webcams. The ergonomics? Absolute game changer. This thing is lightweight as You can shoot handheld all day without feeling like you've been lifting weights at the gym. And with its durable build, it's ready for run-and-gun filmmaking in real-world conditions. Rain, crowds, chaos, bring it on. The FX30 doesn't quit. And here's the real kicker. The 15mm f1.4G lens isn't just about stunning visuals. It's wide enough to capture breathtaking landscapes, tight indoor setups, and dynamic vlogging angles without distortion. Pair it with the FX30's manual focus control, and you've got buttery smooth pulls that'll make your footage look like it was shot by a seasoned pro. If you're looking at your current gear right now thinking, man, this setup looks like absolute the FX link is below. Tap it before this beast sells out. Now, let's keep it real. No product is perfect. The FX30 isn't going to replace a $50,000 cinema rig. The screen could be brighter, and you'll want to invest in some solid lenses to truly unlock its potential. But for this size, this weight, and this price, these are tiny nitpicks, not deal breakers. You're basically getting cinema quality footage in a package that fits in your backpack, and that's a big fucking deal. This isn't just a camera, it's a fucking freedom machine. Freedom from shaky, amateur-looking footage. Freedom from heavy, back-breaking rigs. Freedom to create anywhere, anytime, with professional-grade quality. Don't wait, don't think. Just click the link and grab the future of filmmaking before it's gone.